Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best ceramic coating for cars in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best ceramic coating for cars. Starting at number 5, we have the Drexler Ceramic Coating Kit. Are you an off-roading warrior struggling to maintain the professional look of your car after passing it through a car wash? Then you should try out Drexler Ceramic Coating, which is estimated to leave a glossy shine for about 3 to 5 years. That's because it comes in a 2-in-1 package of a base coat and top coat that's highly hydrophobic and holds up against extreme water pressure. This 2-stage coating is also weather, UV, and chemical resistant. Both coats are formulated with 9H hardness, which forms a protective barrier against scratches and prevents swirls. The product is fairly easy to apply with a cloth rag, and the top coat comes with a spray applicator. However, it's best to follow an online tutorial or go to the company's main website to get the application instructions. Moving on at number 4. We have the CarPro CQ. For a top-quality, high-performance ceramic kit that won't disappoint, check out CarPro CQ UK 3.0 kit with Reload. This improved formula provides even better protection against UV rays, road grime, tar, tree sap, bug splatters, bird droppings, and more. It utilizes a high silica quartz content to create a truly hard and glassy layer that protects your vehicle's paint job. This updated formula also features a greater temperature range for added protection in temps from as low as 40 degrees Fahrenheit to as high as 100 degrees. It's ideal for paint, metal, and plastic surfaces, making it one of the most versatile products on our list. This comprehensive kit includes a 30 ml bottle of ceramic coating, a foam applicator block, 4 suede applicators, a reload bottle, and an orange suede leveling towel. While this kit does come with everything you need to get started, you may want to order extra suede applicators ahead of time to ensure that you have enough to complete the job in a single go, as many users report using more than the original amount supplied. At number 3, we have the Ethos Ceramic Wax 9H. When you're looking for a top-quality ceramic coating for your car but aren't willing to pay top dollar, Ethos Ceramic Wax 9H is the answer. Besides its relatively low price, it gives a sleek, shiny finish that combines the two worlds of ceramic coating and wax in an easy-to-use package. No general DIY knowledge or prior experience in applying coatings is necessary. The coating is non-stick and water-repellent, which makes cleaning the car a breeze. You can also use it on motorcycles, fiberglass, stainless steel, and windows with good results. Durability is one of the drawbacks of Ethos Ceramic Wax 9H. At best, the coating will only last 12 months before you would have to apply another layer. Also, some users note that plastic or rubber surfaces that get in contact with the product can turn white, like they've aged overnight. At number 2, we have the Mother's Comet Ceramic Spray Coating. Mother's Comet Ceramic Spray Coating follows the same basic design philosophy as many affordable spray-on waxes: quick and simple application. Coming in a small bottle with a contained spray pattern, this ceramic coating reduces a lot of the time and work normally required to apply a ceramic coating to your vehicle. If you're familiar with how to apply a spray-on wax, the process will be largely the same with this product. For the most part, the best quality of the finished layer from Mother's Comet is that it does a good job with water beading, thanks to a combination of silicon dioxide and titanium dioxide in its formulation. This also creates a protective barrier against the elements. Comet works fairly well on its own, However, you may need to reapply it after a few months if you use it as a standalone product. We recommend using it as a booster of an existing sealant, for longer-lasting results. Finish results can be somewhat varied depending on the application process. For example, the coating can leave little white beads on the flat surfaces and in the crevices of the vehicle that can be hard to remove if you don't deal with them quickly. Wiping it off in segments, once to a haze and a second time after the haze disappears, helps. And finally at number 1. We have the Chemical Guys HydroSlick Silicon Oxide Ceramic Coating HyperWax. For the best overall ceramic coating for your car, in terms of performance, ease of application, and durability, it's tough to beat Chemical Guys HydroSlick Silicon Oxide Ceramic Coating HyperWax. You'll get maximum shine and protection with this first-ever HyperWax. It combines the depth and shine of a high-quality wax with the durability, beading, and slickness of a ceramic coating. This particular ceramic coating formula uses silicon oxide gel suspension technology to create one of the most user-friendly, easy-to-apply ceramic coatings on the market. The nanotechnology creates a waterproof seal that causes water to rapidly bead and run off any treated surface. It also helps protect against road grime and tar, water spots, bird droppings, tree sap, brake dust, salt spray, and more. Some issues to note include multiple users reporting that the coating doesn't hold up as long as it's supposed to. Another issue is that the initial coating is difficult to apply evenly and takes a lot of elbow grease to really rub in properly without leaving streaks. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.